I will first of all congratulate you, congratulate everybody in this environment again, and congratulate myself for having the opportunity of converting this polytechnic to university. The management of the Federal Polytechnic, Ilaro, students, and the general public. I am very delighted to be in this studio. That you use TETFund fund sent to you to put this in place. I give you kudos. I've gone around and I've seen things by myself, and I'm highly impressed. Before I go to that, the position I'm occupying is not a right, it's a privilege. Not that I'm the most qualified person to be there. Somebody looked at me and decided to put me there, that he believes I can do something. And I said, I'm going to do it better. So it's not a right for me. I'm only privileged to sit on the board. Now, going forward, I've seen iconic projects. The TETFund projects dotted everywhere. I saw your management team, art and design. Art and design, I think first of its kind in this country, as far as I'm concerned. Because of what I saw there, printing department. And you are trying to look inward as a financial person. The government alone cannot do it. But how do you increase your IGR? You decided to go and do something worthwhile by having a printing department which will serve you, serve the incoming university and the general public. You are very creative. I am happy with that one. Other area that I've seen, I'm impressed. Federal Polytechnic Ilaro is not new to me. Everybody knows in this country that your product have distinguished themselves where they are, and they are still doing well. So TETFund is proud to be associated with you, and the projectors saw they are good. And I believe if there should be a video clip for Mr. President of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the DFR, we'll be very happy. And the Minister of Education, a very creative thinker, a hard-working Minister of Education, in person of Dr. Moruf Tuji Alausa. So I'm impressed. And if I'm impressed, I know the board will be impressed because they know what I can do. And we have a doer too, the Right Honorable Aminu Masari, former Speaker of the House of Representatives and former Governor of Katsina State, and having another man at the end of affair in terms of management of the place, Actor Sonny Eshon. There's no amount of money spent on education that we say is enough. This is a continuous process. The student loan is part of the amount being spent on education. So the money that the government is spending on education is so much, and I know the present president will spend more on education because the development of any nation depends on the amount of money and energy and exposure you give to the youth, of which I know President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is highly committed to that. So expect more funding in the education, not only on the technical aspect of it, on so many areas, funding will be made available. If we want capital development, go to TETFund, go and see how much we have spent in training and retraining our lecturers and many others in the institution. Even the amount set aside for the research, go there. It has never happened like this.